How to fix always open in WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change always open with in WhatsApp. So what I'm talking about is if you are trying to open anything on your web browser related to your WhatsApp, it will redirect to your app. And if you don't want that and you want to change it, follow these simple steps. It's quite easy. So if someone sends you a WhatsApp link and you just want to open it on your browser, but it will redirect you to the app, to change that, you first need to go ahead and open up your settings. Go ahead and tap on apps and then search for WhatsApp. Once you do that, tap on WhatsApp and then you will see an option called set as default. Just tap on it. And as you can see here, it will open the supported links, meaning that all of the supported web address right here, it will be redirected to the app. Now, if you don't want it, you can just toggle this off, go back, tap on storage, clear out all of its cache, and then restart your phone once, and your problem should be gone. That's it for this video. I'll catch you on the next one.